Hello students, this video is for grade LKG. So let us start. We have three different sections in the sheet: English, Maths and EVS. The sheet is divided into three different subjects: English, Maths and EVS. Let us start with our first subject, which is of English. The question is, match the pictures with the words. In this we have to match the pictures with their words. As you can see, at one side a few pictures are given and on the another side the names are given. एक साइड पे पिक्चर्स दिए हैं, दूसरे साइड पे नेम्स हैं. हमें उन्हें एक दूसरे से मैच करना है. So the first picture is of clouds and behind the clouds the sun is hiding. मतलब एक clouds की पिक्चर है और cloud के पीछे क्या है? sun छुपा हुआ है. So that is cloudy. So we will match it with cloudy. C L O U D Y, cloudy. See the next picture. It is of lightning. Lightning means बिजली गिर रही है, बिजली चमक रही है, उसको कहते हैं thundering. That is called thundering. T H U N D E R, thunder. We will match it with thunder. In this way we have to match these pictures with their relative words. In the next picture, the cloud is raining, so it is rainy. The last one, the sun is shining, means it is sunny. So we have to match these with their words. Now see the next question. The question is, rewrite the jumbled words given below. What we have to do is, हमें इसमें jumbled words को अनजम्बल करना है. मीन्स जो वर्ड्स हैं वो उल्टे पुल्टे हैं, इनको सीधा करना है. वर्ड्स को प्रॉपरली पुट करके इन्हें परफेक्ट वर्ड में चेंज करना है. सो द फर्स्ट जम्बल्ड वर्ड इज IWTNRE. दिस इज जम्बल्ड एंड वी हैव टू रीराइट इट इन प्रॉपर स्पेलिंग. सो द प्रॉपर स्पेलिंग विल बी winter. WINTER, winter. WINTER, winter. So this is the season name. एक सीजन का नेम है. As we all know, there are total 5 seasons in a year. एक साल में 5 seasons होते हैं: winter, spring, summer, rainy, autumn. Okay, total 5 seasons: summer, rainy, winter, spring and autumn. See the next one. SUMMER. It will become summer. SUMMER, summer. SUMMER, summer. In this way we have to rewrite these jumbled words. Okay, we have to recreate these words properly. इन words को हमें वापस से create करना है अच्छे से, and then we have to write it in proper spelling. Proper spelling में proper letters के साथ इन्हें write करना है. So this was all about our first section, English. In this we have learned about different seasons: winter, summer, rainy, autumn, spring. These are all 5 seasons. And about different weather like thundering, rainy, sunny, cloudy, snowy. These are different weather. मतलब अलग अलग weather है, अलग अलग मौसम है. So now move to the next section, which is of maths. In this what we have to do, write the number against the number names. Number names are given here. यहाँ पे number names दिए हुए हैं and हमें क्या करना है, हमें इनके number write करना है. Okay, so the first number name is 9, NINE. So now what we have to do, in the given star जो दिया हुआ है उसके अंदर हमें 9 number लिखना है. Okay, number names दिए हैं, इनके हमें numbers write करने हैं. So everyone, let us revise number name 1 to 20. Speak with me. ONE, 1. O N E 1. T W O 2. T W O 2. T H R E 3. T H R E 3. 4. F O U R 4. F O U R 4. F I V E 5. F I V E 5. S I X 6. S I X 6. S E V E N 7. S E V E N 7. E I G H T 8. E I G H T 8. N I N E 9. N I N E 9. T E N 10. T E N 10. 11. E L E V E N 11. E L E V E N 11. 12. T W E L V E 12. T W E L V E 12. 13. T H I R T E N 13. T H I R T E N 13. F O U R T E N 14. F O U R T E N 14. 15. F I F T E N 15. F I F T E N 15. 16. S I X T E N 16. S I X T E N 16. S E V E N T E N 17. S E V E N T E N 17. 18. E I G H T E N 18. E I G H T E N 18. N I N N 19 N 19 20 20 20. So this was all about our maths. In this we have to write the number for their number names. Now let's move to the last section, which is of EVS. Learn the vocabulary. In this, what we have to do is we have to learn these words. There are 4 words which are related to hospital. Okay, the 4 words are nurse, X-ray, hospital, ambulance. Nurse, X-ray, hospital, ambulance. Spell it with me. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. X-R-A-Y, X-ray. Hospital, hospital. Ambulance, Ambulance, ambulance. So you have to learn these 4 vocabulary words. Now to the last question. Match the picture with its name. In this, what we have to do is we have to match these pictures with their names. Gun, police station, policeman, and thief. You have to match these with their respective names. So this was all about today's sheet. If you still have any kind of doubt related to any question, any topic, you can ask me. Thank you.